In the previous video, when creating formulas, it was able to include detailed conditions by using if. This time, let's see to what extent the conditions are met by using if. If you want to find the day of the week based on a date, you can input the prompt as follows. Calculate the day of the week, based on date. Insert column. If there are null, you may find that the results are incorrect. Add if date is null, null to the existing prompt. Null values are satisfied and calculated. You can create various conditions with this pattern, such as for errors or incorrect formats. On the left is the sales invoice, and on the right is the discount rate table by product. Let's create the amount by applying the discount conditions. First, calculate the amount. Even if the unit price is not specified, it can still find and calculate the appropriate data. Of course, when there is no history, you need to specify it explicitly, such as by using based on. Insert column. Let's calculate the discounted amount by applying conditions. Insert column. By applying this, it is expected that various invoices can be created more easily than before. Earlier, I calculated the total sales based on the performance from the table 1 on the left. And I created a separate table for product-specific targets. I will determine whether the total sales are a success or fail based on the target. Input the prompt as follows. Although I didn't mention Table 2, it found and used the targets from Table 2 for the calculations. It seems that the recent Excel Copilot remembers the prompts I've given earlier to generate formulas. Insert column. Check the results. As with other products, it seems that Copilot in Excel is also significantly influenced by the chat history. Therefore, there are times when it can reference and retrieve data with just a simple input, and other times when it fails to generate the formula even with detailed instructions. I believe that the more you work with Copilot, the easier it becomes to create formulas efficiently. This video ends here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment.